Ever wanted to create your own AI avatar? Today we're diving into the art of image editing to craft the perfect digital persona. Plus, we've got a special tool to help you along the way. AI avatars are more than just digital profiles. They're a fusion of art, technology, and personal expression. But the secret to a great avatar starts with the perfect image. Begin by choosing a high-quality image that represents you best. Think clarity, good lighting, and most importantly, a style that reflects your personality. With your image in hand, it's time for some editing magic. Crop to focus on key features and apply filters to enhance colors and textures. Remember your avatar, your rules. Now, let's make it easier with ImageCraft Pro. Visit for a tool that simplifies this process. It helps you refine your image with intuitive cropping and filtering options, ensuring your avatar looks just the way you want. Once your image is avatar ready, the real fun begins. Transform it into your unique AI avatar, ready to represent you in the digital world. Creating your AI avatar is a journey of creativity and tech. With the right tools and a dash of imagination, you can bring your digital self to life. Check out to get started and unleash your digital potential.